Splash empowers marketers to get events done with powerful templates, intuitive tools, simple integrations, and built-in compliance controls. Anyone can run a great events program. It all starts in the library, where you create the foundation for all of your event programs. It's where you set the standards that guide every aspect of your event, from how they look to what kind of data they collect. Let's dive in. The theme library is where you create and manage templates for your team. Themes span across all your programs, from webinars to in-person events and everything in between. Your branding, content, and email templates are baked in, so when it's time to create an event, you're 95% ready for launch. The brand library is where your brand assets, including colors, fonts, and logos, live. Here, you decide how and when they should be used so that every event is the best representation of your brand. No one-off design asks or coding required. Last is the form library. Here you can build custom registration forms for different events with different needs. You can even set a form as the default so that all new events inherit it. The ability to set required and locked fields and set up integration field mappings make the form library a key tool for compliance and security. Now, let's create an event. With the groundwork in place, it's easier than ever to create an event. Simply enter your event details, choose a theme, and a fully branded landing page is instantly created. It comes complete with every attendee-facing touchpoint, including a registration form, confirmations, and all the necessary email templates. Starting in the event page touchpoint, Splash already did the hard work and applied the event details and branding to the page. But you can make additional copy edits as needed right in line. Or change imagery with just a few clicks. You can also customize your page with content blocks from the Splash library. This includes pre-built blocks from our expert event designers. And a bonus, your landing page will look stunning on any device as it's automatically optimized for desktop, tablet, and mobile views. In the registration form, your team's default form was automatically applied to the event. This ensures all the required information is collected, so you can rest easy knowing you're getting the right data and displaying the most up-to-date terms and conditions to your guests. If you're hosting a virtual event, Splash's virtual event page touchpoint, the virtual venue for your event, supports all major streaming and engagement platforms like Zoom, On24, or StreamYard. Just grab that embed code from the platform and paste it inside. You also have the choice to use Splash Studio, our built-in solution with HD streaming, chat, Q&A, polling, and optional breakout rooms. Regardless of the streaming provider, the virtual event page will host the content inside a private branded space. And each guest will receive their own unique access link to check in and join your event. As guests are invited, whether through Splash or a marketing automation platform like Marketo, and begin to register for your event, they will be added to the event's guest list. Here you can segment, filter, and export all of the guest data for an event. You can also import guests from a CSV or sync them over from a connected CRM like Salesforce. This creates the ultimate collaboration between you and your sales team. When it's time for your event, check-in data will also be captured on the guest list for virtual events and in-person events when using the Splash Host app. All communications can be sent through Splash's email sender, including all of the reminder and follow-ups. Here you'll find a post-event branded email sequence that carried down from the theme. These emails are pre-scheduled to dynamic recipient lists, meaning they'll constantly update in real time as guests register and check into the event. If email needs come up along the way, you have the option to create additional emails on the fly from branded templates. You can use the same easy-to-use design tools as on the event page touchpoint. Then add your recipients from a variety of sources. And when you're done, just send or schedule your email. With Splash's suite of integrations, including CRMs, marketing automation platforms, and internal communication tools, admins on your team can set up account integrations one time and decide when they should fire. You can add optional privacy settings to your event page, like restricting certain domains from RSVPing. For instance, you might want to block competitors or ensure that guests use their business emails instead of Gmail addresses. For more privacy, you can create a page gate so only select guests can see the event details and register. Once your event is published, it's a living, breathing, searchable website. All of your event data is gathered into powerful, high-level insights so you can understand things like who keeps coming back to our events, what day and time are guests most likely to RSVP, and which page formats have the highest conversion rates. In just minutes, you created a fully branded and measurable end-to-end event experience. No developers, no designers, just you and the power of Splash.